Alright guys, welcome to the channel once again. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through on how to participate in Yulivese Airdrop Phase 2. For those who actually participated in the Phase 1, they have actually given us our different scores. Alright, so the airdrop is going to be ending in February. Okay, so this second phase of airdrop will be ending in February. So I'm going to be showing you step guide on how to join this particular project. Okay, so don't miss out. If you missed the first phase, don't miss out. So all you need is a little gas fee on Polygon network. Okay, so you can actually purchase $2 worth of Matics, okay, and send it to your wallet. So I'm going to be using basically I normally use Mrs. browser because I have integrated my wallet extension in it, but I'll be showing you with OKX wallet because I have a task to perform under the wallet section, linking my OKS. So while I use OKS wallet, I can be able to claim some collaboration points. Okay, so what do I need to do? You have to come to this is my OKS account. So what I'm going to do now is to click on, you have to come to this discover down here. Okay, so you click on discover, you copy the link in the description of this video, paste it here. All right, so you paste it here. Then I've actually searched the under the history. You can see Yulivese here. Okay, so this is Yulivese. So I will tap on it. I'll wait for it to load up. All right, so so the next you're going to, this is actually how the phase 2 is looking like. So ART final airdrop farming. Okay, so this is the final quest. Okay, so you have to complete different quests to earn reward at the end of this project that will be ending in February. So start now. All right, so this airdrop actually started yesterday, so I'm making this video early so that you can be able to accumulate a lot of points for yourself. So I'm going to show you everything right here. So I tapped on the link and it is loading. So guys, it has actually loaded up. This is where you're going to be taken to. All right, so we wait for the page to load up. You can see wallet here, this wallet option. Tap on it, you will see different options. Because I'm using OKS wallet, I'm going to tap on this. Okay, so if you're using Mrs. browser, you just connect with MetaMask, but OKS is quite easy. Using wallet dApp is quite easy. Okay, so it will actually going to give me a sign, so it's telling me to confirm. Okay, I'm going to confirm it. You can see I connected successfully, so it's going to load up. You can see that I have the wallet that I'm using here, this network, sorry, the what is it called, Polygon network. You can see, make sure this is on Polygon. You can see the logo of Polygon here. Okay, it's right there now. I'll tap on wallet, connect OKX wallet. Okay, successfully it has connected. You can see that I actually connected my Twitter. If you are having issue with your Twitter, the previous one you used, make sure you open a new Twitter account and connect. So you just tap here, it will tell you to connect Twitter here. Tap on this, it will take you to where to sign in your account. Then this code, it will take you to sign in your account. And once you've connected, all your name on Twitter and this code will show up here. So that is all about that side. Now you can scroll down, you can see the first phase we did ended on, I think that was 21st. I continued and okay, so it's just a continuation. You can see I scroll down, you can see the first task of the day under social tasks. This is the first task you have to be doing. So already you've loaded some Matics in your wallet. Okay, so I'm going to show you at the end of this video how to get Matics, okay, or buy from people, and also how to add it to your wallet. Now the first task, daily task, is here. You can also use MetaMask to receive your Matics, then import your wallet into your OKS wallet. Okay, you can see that the first one is where I'm going to perform task. Tap here, it will take you to where to check in. Okay, after you've checked in, you go back and click on refresh. Okay, that is where, under this checking, is where you'll be charged some little amount of gas fee, okay, under Polygon network, which is Matix. So it's very simple. So if you fund $1 to $2, it will be enough till this project ends. So that is just it. It's very easy to do. So we don't know the cost of the airdrop that we're getting, but make sure you participate, because their NFT they gave out really worth up to 0.5 BNB and some up to 1 BNB. You can see the advantage of what we're doing. Okay, so we are not just wasting our little gas fee. Okay, so you just refresh here. After you refresh, you click here again, you see this reward will show up under on top of this place, under this daily. Okay, so you see reward, tap on it and claim your reward. It will multiply your earnings for the day. Then you scroll down. So if once you, that is the first thing you're going to do. So after doing the first one, you go ahead and do this one. So you come here, bind my referral code to receive that particular reward. Okay, so that is it. Now come down, you will follow. All right, so you repost, do all these tasks. Okay, once they are showing reward, you tap on it and claim. Now I will do another video on how to participate in in-game tasks. So I will just skip this and go ahead to show you other things you need to do to aid. Now if you come to referral, you can refer your friends. Okay, you can copy your referral code here. The link is just general. Okay, so you can see that I'm going to drop this link. Make sure you copy it and add it there to receive your referral bonus. So in special quest, you have to come here and participate in this special quest. So once you are using your OKS, it is going to show your reward. You've completed the task. So once you use the OKS wallet, this one is done, so you claim it. Now this one for Bitget, I've already claimed. So what you're going to do is to download Bitget wallet and log in. Okay, follow the same step. So if you don't know how to do that, I made in the previous video under the phase 1, it's just the same thing. Make sure you connect, go and watch the video. I'll drop it in the video description to help you to join using your Bitget wallets. After you've done Bitget wallet task, you also follow them up and then claim your rewards. So that is how to farm. So basically you'll be checking out on these special quests and social tasks. If there is a new task, you can go ahead and do it every morning. But first of all, remember to do your social task, which is daily check-in, to earn multiplier first. Okay, so that you go ahead and increase your earnings in the other one. So that is basically all about this project. So if you want to check, if you did the first project, the first phase of the project, you can click here to check out your rewards. You can see under reward. Okay, you can check under reward. All right, so you can see I actually got this 351 ART. So we don't know the value of it, but we believe their NFT really worth a lot. So we actually expect this to be so nice as well. So if you miss the first time, this first quest, don't miss the second one. That is why I'm bringing it early, so that you will start farming. Okay, so that is basically how it works. ART token is what we are expecting to be getting from these points we are claiming. So they actually give us tokens from the quantity of points we earn. All right, so don't miss out, guys. Use the link in the description of the video and also join our group. I also dropped the previous YouTube videos I made on how to participate in Yulivese phase 1, so that you can bind your wallet. Okay, so that you can be able to use different wallet, which is OKS and Bitget and also MetaMask. So thank you, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give a like to this video. Join our group, is in the description of the video, so that you will not miss out of any airdrop. So thank you, guys. See you in the next video.